You join me in the desirable village of Ladbroke. Ladbroke is situated just 2 miles from Southam. It's got a beautiful community, a church and the highly sought after Bell Inn public house. Today I'm going to be showing you around April Cottage. April Cottage has 3 bedrooms, all benefiting from ensuite, amazing open plan living and a bespoke log cabin in the garden. I'm Nicky Moore from Fine & Country and let's go take a look. You join me in the gorgeous landscape garden at the end of the tour. If you would like any more information or to arrange a viewing, please contact me with the details that will follow.